You cannot answer me. Answer me. Tell me the truth. I will understand you, Tom. Tell me how many women you spend in bed. You cannot answer because that is true. Tell me how many? Yes or no? How many women you spend in bed and you wear now sleeveless? Where is your t-shirt? You keep smiling. You cannot say yes or no. You cannot tell me the truth.